Hey. All right, so welcome back to Whitehouse Farm. What we're gonna be working on today is we're gonna need to put some new brake lines on here. I have my tractor um, with the forks on it that you manually put on your bucket, and one of them got cocked off to the side. I didn't realize it, and I was coming around and it went right up under and caught my brake lines under here and just split them all. So yay. So that's what we're gonna be working on today, and we'll take a look in here. As you can see, that sucker got twisted and broken right off. So we're gonna go ahead and remove that, and we're gonna go ahead and put on a new set. We're gonna go ahead and flare it out. I'll show you how to use the flaring tool. As I figured, that sucker is just crushing. Oh, we'll break that right off. And take the whole thing off there. See if I can get that off now. There we go. Wow, this thing is burning. All right, we got that out of there. There we go. Come on. Yes. Woo. You know what a relief that is. Normally stuff just breaks all apart on these things. There we go. All right. So now we can go to Napa or Advanced Auto and match these up, and we'll get the line for it and be able to get this back in. Only other thing we gotta check here is the brake bleeder here. Hopefully that turns and it just doesn't snap off. So let's give that a try. Yeah, I'm not liking how this is gonna look. Okay. Wow. Wow, we're lucking out here. I'm definitely gonna put a new one of these on as well. Come on. Yeah, all right. All right, so we got our parts off. So now we can go get some new brake line and match up our pieces as well. Make sure that these are actually the same. So put all new stuff on, that way when we're letting the air out too, this thing won't snap in there because it's pretty rusted. Actually, I gotta pop them out of there now. All right, so let's go get our parts and then we can go ahead and start getting everything together. And we'll be able to flare everything on the ends here and get it back on there. Shoo! Welcome back, folks. Welcome to the Whitehouse farm. That was a little ode to Flair. I got his beefcake shirt on. If you guys haven't seen him yet, you're living under a rock. The reason I brought up Flair is because I got to do some flaring on the brake lines here, and we're gonna go ahead and get into it here. So let's get moving. Okay, so we were able to actually find, even though I have my flaring tools and all that stuff, we won't need to do it. They actually had a pre-made one, and 1/4 inch by 1/2 inch, and this is at Napa, and I got 2 of them just in case I want to do the other side. But you notice when you take the sticker off here, you're left with all this junk, so you want to go ahead and spray this down and then wipe that off, so that way you can pull the fitting over it. And this just brake clean. Hit that one more time and then wipe that off. Make sure all the junk's off of it. There we go. Now there we go. Now you can slide it right up forward. All right, so we want to go ahead and try and form that same shape somewhat. So let's go ahead and get our tool here, and we're gonna do, get this in here. Get it in the right spot there. We're gonna be right around there. Right there. All right, and all you're gonna do is just press this, and it's gonna make a gentle slope. See how it's doing that? This This way it's not all kinked up and stuff. And I got that design going, and we're gonna have to adjust this as we put it in, and you can see that it kind of turns out like that. We'll go ahead and use this tool right here to go ahead and give it that other bend there, but let's get that hooked up in there and see where we're looking from there. Alright. That is on there now. Alright, so I got that line back on now and everything. I tried to find a new bleeder valve here for it, but they don't have anything. They couldn't even search it. So I went ahead and cleaned it up a little and redid the threads on it. We're gonna put that back in. I just hopefully never have this break off on me in there, because that's a pain in the butt. But we'll go ahead and reuse this. It's all cleaned up now. Let's get it back in. All right, so let's check the brake fluid. And definitely down. So we'll just top that off for right now, and then we'll go ahead and bleed the brakes out. All right, go ahead and release. Go ahead and pump it up again. You holding it down? Okay, do it again. Hold it down. Just make sure we top this off. All right, my mechanics can hop out now. Come on, guys.
It's cool, big man.
All right. You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me. All right, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. All right. Bye, Obo. Bye, guys.